Hey YouTube, what's up? Super quick video about a super simple mod in the Hobby Plus CR-18P Trail Hunter. It's not even a mod. If you get the Rock Van, it does come with a two-stage front light. So low beam and high beam. And in the Trail Hunter, there is only one stage you have to press 3 times. Then you have the fog lights. Okay, it are not the main beams. They won't change their brightness and then they are off. But it's super simple to make those lights, including the tail lights, also to two-stage lights. Therefore you have to take off the body, remove 7 screws, 2 in the bumper, 5 in the back side, and get to the receiver light controller unit. I made a detailed video about this. Rear lights and front lights, fog lights, are connected in parallel here. If you want to control them independently, maybe make brake lights or whatever, you can, but then you have to cut the wires. You can then remove the resistors here, because you will only connect LEDs of the same color then, and then you have to do soldering or crimping, so it's not that easy. But simply to change both lights, front lights and rear lights, from only one stage to a two-stage or two-stage of brightness light, you simply have to remove the plug and plug it into a further port. Here you can see the plug that's on the fog light port, and we want to connect it to a headlight port, because that's the same light controller as in the Rock Van. And the headlight port does have two-stage lights, and therefore we have good luck. We have to check the board, and here you can see the 2 headlight pins are next to the common plus of the plug. There are 2 plugs you can use for this, and you even do not have to change the plug. You can plug the 2-pin plug into the 3-pin port without any danger of destroying anything. Nothing will happen. So simply switch off the light and pull out the plug, but take care when doing this. If it doesn't get out easily, use tiny pliers or forceps, and then we would have 2 possibilities, as you have seen, here and here. Good for us. The headlight ports are always in center, so next to the common plus, and I simply plug it into this one now. And don't be afraid, you won't destroy, damage anything. You still can use it for a 3-pin plug later on, but you don't have to use a 3-pin plug here now. So that's it, that's the whole mod, but it's not really a mod. And now we switch it on again and check this out. That was the wrong radio. Low beam, high beam stays, low beam, high beam. And because they are connected in parallel, that's also for the rear lights now. Low beam, high beam. So super simple, not even a mod, and if you would like to do it, do it. Thanks for watching, guys. There are more CR-18P Trail Hunter mod and upgrade videos coming out soon. I'll be back.